Welcome to my channel. Take a deep breath and prepare yourself for a journey of energy, relaxation, and connection with your inner self. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt completely refreshed and energized just by focusing on your breath? Stay with me until the end, and you might just discover a whole new way to awaken your inner power. Let's start with a simple yet powerful breathing technique. Raise your hands above your head, reaching toward the sky. As you inhale deeply through your nose, bring your hands down to shoulder level, feeling the energy flow with each breath. Let's do this together. Inhale. Exhale. We will do it 10 times. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Now, place your hands gently on your thighs. Let your body relax. Feel your spine straightening, grounding you in the present moment. Pay attention to every sensation in your body, any tingling, warmth, or lightness. This is your energy shifting. Let's do another round. Hands above the head. Deep inhale. Now slowly bring them down to your shoulders. We will do it 10 times. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Breathe out all the stagnant air, releasing tension. Keep your eyes closed if you wish, and just observe your body's sensations. Notice the calm spreading through you. Now, as you sit comfortably, bring to mind a moment when you felt truly happy. It can be a simple joy, a smile, a peaceful place, or a beautiful memory. See it vividly. Feel it as if you are there again. Immerse yourself in that experience. Hear the sounds of that moment, see the colors, feel the emotions. Let this joy wash over you. Now, as you breathe in, imagine pulling that happiness into your heart. With every inhale, it grows stronger. With every exhale, it spreads throughout your body like ripples in a serene lake. Energy flowing through. You raise your hands again, slowly, as if gathering a sphere of light. Let this divine energy enter through the top of your head. Feel it traveling down, your throat, your chest, your belly, your back, your legs, washing over you like a river of pure light. Now, let it flow back up, rising through your feet, your spine, your heart, and out through the top of your head, returning to the universe. You are connected to an infinite source of energy. Let's focus this time on your heart. Imagine a glowing light surrounding your heart, filling it with love, peace, and gratitude. This light expands, wrapping you in warmth and protection, sharing your energy with the world. Now, let's take this love and extend it outward. Raise your hands slightly and imagine sending this beautiful energy to someone you love, your family, your friends, even strangers who may need it. Picture this energy radiating from your heart, spreading joy and healing. Now, visualize sending this energy even further to your community, to your country, to the entire world. Anyone who is in pain, who needs love, who longs for peace, may they receive this gift of healing energy. Now return to yourself. Take a deep breath and acknowledge your journey. Every challenge you have faced has made you stronger. Every pain has led to growth. You are not just your struggles. You are limitless energy, wisdom, and light. Stand tall, stretch your arms high, embracing your power. You are free. You are limitless. You are in complete harmony with yourself and the universe. Now gently bring your hands down, return to a seated position, and take a final deep breath. With gratitude in your heart, thank the universe, your inner self, and this moment for the gift of presence. Before we close, let me ask you, what is one thing you are grateful for right now? Hold on to that feeling. If you practice this for 21 days, watch how your energy shifts, how clarity and joy become a natural part of your life. Take one last deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you found peace today, remember to subscribe for more guidance on inner power and mindfulness. Wishing you a beautiful and energized day ahead.